everyone and welcome again. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to show or hide reader mode button on Samsung internet. The first thing you need to do is, after launching the browser, you tap on the three horizontal line at the bottom of the screen, then you scroll down until you see useful features, then you tap on it, and next you see show reader mode button. Now what this means is that if you tap the reader mode button in the address bar, it will show you a simplified version of web pages with long text content. That's it. So if you want that to be on, simply toggle it on. And if you do not want to see a simplified version of web pages with long text content, you simply turn it off. So that's it. That is how to show or hide reader mode button on your internet, Samsung internet. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.